know how common it is for birds to have for a while, but we do know that if you don't get the number or that they will keep moving.
It's raining bird food. Hallelujah. It's raining bird food.
Short circuiting. Severing live wires can be fatal. The clueless squirrel makes off with his farm, stashing it in a tree. Fortunately, when it comes time for
Why is this so funny?
Christmas dinner, strong teeth should make it clear. This is one little treat that isn't.
He's laughing over there.
Food for everyone.
It's raining bird food. Hallelujah. It's raining bird food.
Ranger with story.
Screw you guys, I'm not gonna do
It's
this
the
anymore.
Way Too Freaky Speed Freak Award.
Dogs are having fun.
I know the dogs are like,
November 2006. Forget the rat race.
are we not
The
parading
Van
anymore?
Rietveld family has two
No more confetti?
rambunctious dwarf hamsters named
Party.
who both have a serious need for speed.
And Pookie's over there. It's raining bird food. Hallelujah. It's raining bird food.
Go for road
Oh, God.
in a single night.
You see him just looking at
He's laughing, too.
But tick and tack aren't into distance. They're into speed.
Like, I see you.
Here, the break.
I think he's not good. I think he's done.
Relay race, sharing the cramped
I
wheel until both.
Well, I got it on tape finally, so.
Me too.